Great.
Good morning. Good morning to all of you. I am Brother Nicer Natulia, a professed brother already. I'm an assistant director of Claret Urban Poor Apostolate. We call it CUPA here in Metro Manila. CUPA is the social arm of declarations here in Luzon in Metro Manila. We have lots of ministries, projects and programs. We have daycare programs, alternative training center for urban poor communities, and we have a program also for the elderly, and we have also community immersion for the students, for the Claret High School and for other schools. We have educational assistance program also, scholarship programs for those who cannot afford to go to school, and we have an urban poor ministry, for example, relief operations for those people who need food, who need if they are affected by fire, like that. I'm going to explain now about one of our ministry about these daycare programs. We believe that we cater not only for the urban poor, but we are catering the urban poorest of the poor. And we know that there are lots in urban poor communities. There are lots of students, small children who doesn't have enough money to go to school. That's why we made a daycare program for those little children. Almost all of the finances are catered already by the CUPA, Claret Urban Poor Apostolate. Almost 5 years already we are working for the daycare children in the urban poor communities. And we believe, just after for several months, we believe for those little children, after for a few months they know how to read already. And it really helped them for their preparation for their elementary grades. And then it is not only for the children, but we organize also their parents. We call it PSG, Parent Social Support Group. We believe that once we organize these little children, these poor little children, we organize also the parents. And once we organize those parents, we organize their community or their household. And then once we organize their household, we organize already the whole community. And that's the entry of our community organizing. And once we organize the community, and our ministries, our programs and projects will be easy to be implemented to the community because the leaders are already organized. I think that's it for me.
Good morning. My name is Lisa Arnaldo from Claret Urban Poor Apostolate. I work here for 10 years now, and I am the program coordinator. One of the programs that touches my heart is for the program for the elderly people. We know that elderly people is very loved by the Filipino people, and we want them to abandon. Our program is called St. Therese for the Elderly program. We have two kinds of component here. One is pastoral care, and another one is home care. For pastoral care, we do the gatherings of the elderly people who are able to walk and able to gather themselves and have a biblical or Bible sharing and spiritual formation. We do the soup kitchen, and we do the rice distribution for them. We do the rice distribution for once a month, and we give 5 kilos of rice each. For pastoral care beneficiaries, we have 100 elderly people coming from different communities here in Quezon City around the parish vicinity of IHMP. Another component is home care beneficiary program. These elderly people are abandoned, are sick people, very sick people. They cannot walk, and they cannot gather themselves. So we do the home care visitation. As we do the home care visitation, we give them rice, and we give them food to eat, and some medical assistance. So, for some time, we do the networking to other institutions to give them medical assistance, because some of them have a health problem, especially from lungs problem. We do the program for 5 years now, and we experience that the Lord touches our heart, and the Lord using us to be an instrument to feel that these people are very loved of their families. We conducted also the family orientation. We included their families to involve in our program, and we do the counseling for the families and for these people. So for now, I could say that God is good to use us to be an instrument for this program. Thank you.